All right, we have a Fender Rhodes. This is an original Jordan, and it came in with some corroded jacks and stuff like that. Now we changed the jack, but we didn't think anything of it. We put in one of these nice Switchcraft insulated jacks, and then that's when the trouble started. We blew a transistor out here on the. Actually, we blew two of them out here on the circuit board. These are replacements that we have for them, and we never realized that we had caused the problem by going to an insulated jack. You would figure that would remove, in most cases, a ground loop rather than put one in, since having it grounded here and grounded on the board would create a ground loop. Well, apparently, some fine folks at the factory there had decided that when you look at this differential pair here, um, this side here goes through the 1 microfarad capacitor. That's that big blue object you saw on the circuit board, and that goes into the input. But to remove the ground loop, what they did is they took the other side of the differential pair, attached it to the bias pot, and ran it as a long line to ground. But instead of grounding it on the circuit board, they grounded it at the front panel at the jack. So when you are working with something like this, you should replace the like jack with a like jack. Sometimes we don't have one of those and we put them in and it causes a little hum. In this case, it caused the speaker output to go from 0, or about zero point 0.2 at quiescent with no signal, to about minus 26. And that caused a little problem for our fuse. This is the capacitor coming in here. These are 2.47s, and they're put in parallel. And this is an earlier version of the Jordan. The 0.27 ohm resistors and the other stuff are not in it. But in any case, that's what caused the problem. We tried to get rid of it by putting in a jack that normally would remove a ground loop rather than keep one, and instead we wound up causing a second problem. Live and learn.